Paddy will directly from the belt conveyor go to the elevator. And the first one is Paddy Destoner and the clean machine. Can remove Paddy impurity and stone. Can get the clean Paddy. And then Paddy is to be Paddy Healer machine. Can remove Paddy husk, get brown rice. This is Paddy and brown rice separate machine. Can separate Paddy and brown rice. Paddy will come back to the Paddy Healer machine, and the brown rice will be next rice mill machine. This customer uses 3 sets rice mill machine. 4 more sets rice mill machine. Can get more higher capacity rice. And then is rice grinder machine. Can separate whole rice and broken rice. And this is rice polisher machine. Can let rice surface more smooth. This is color sorter machine. Use camera technology. Separate different rice color and impurity. And design is the green silos. Rice will be stocked here. Design is use rice packing machine. Can package rice into 5 kilo, 10 kilo, 25 kilo, and 50 kilo. And also machine include bag closer. Then can sell rice to the final customer.